Willkommen im Pitztal. Auf geht's.
She dream about the things she could have had. But dreams are only made up in her head. She wakes up early, makes it out of bed. Hide the tears, her eyes are color red. 20 something, always running from all the problems she's causing. No excuses, she's sick of losing. Only thing you should know, only thing you should know is she's in it for the rock and roll. She doesn't wanna lose her vibe. If you go and take control, you're gonna go and kill her vibe. She's in her mind, she's in her mind. She's in it for the rock and roll. If you go and take control, you're gonna go and kill her vibe. She's in it for the rock and roll. She doesn't wanna lose her vibe. If you go and take control, you're gonna go and kill her vibe.
Pop Smiley and now she's rolling. Risk it all, the Hall of Game, I'm chosen. West Coast and reppin' Oakland. West Wing at a house, got a pool to soak in. Fight, we fuck, mixed emotion. Reels me back in with the pics you posting. Got a home use club promoter, stayed out all night, so that's why you're ghosting. Keep going, big motion, baby. Disco and snow like the 80s. Fuck up the party, go crazy. Them same promoters still pay me. She's coming up and down daily. All in, luck be my lady. Take care of yourself, stay wavy. It's enough to drive us all crazy.
She's in it for the rock and roll. She doesn't wanna lose her vibe. If you go and take control, you're gonna go and kill her vibe. She's in her mind, she's in her mind. She's in it for the rock and roll. If you go and take control, you're gonna go and kill her vibe.
I didn't wanna be the bad taste in your mouth. You made me push on through, but I live in doubt. You made me feel like that I'm still around. Now I finally know that it might not go. And around we go, round and round, round and round we go, round we go, round and round. Round and round we go, round we go, round and round, round and round we go, round we go. I wanna feel the heat, I wanna feel the pain. We're gonna buy a house, we're gonna live in Spain. We're gonna be at sea, we're gonna fly away. We're gonna hide and seek. I wanna see your face. Hey, I don't wanna miss you. No, I don't wanna miss you. No, I don't wanna miss you. No, I don't
by Thunder Jackson.
Blood on my hands, tears on the floor. Oh, they know I did it. I can't admit it. Back to the life that I lived before. Oh, they know I did it. They won't forgive it. They all hate me now. And we got mutual friends. They all hate me now. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Guilty party, dancing in the mess I made. Guilty party, pushing everyone away. I said now and now I'm so sorry. Words fly around my head. I'm so sorry. Love was the one I said. No, no, no. Guilty party, dancing in the mess I made. Guilty party, pushing everyone away. They all hate me now, and we got mutual friends. They all hate me now.
Jetzt aber. Das war Hingabe.
Das war knapp.
Das war Hingabe. Oh. Vorsicht, Steine. Nicht hier, nicht hier. Fahrt hier. Oh, scheiße. Da habe ich mir 2 richtige Steine reingeknallt, glaube ich. Oh, fuck.
Wo kommt eigentlich der Punkt, wo steht die von Nacht als ein richtiges Zielgebiet?
Da sind wir lang drüber hinaus.
Hi.
Nee. Oh, fuck. Scheiße.
Also manchmal denke ich, wir machen einen Plan und du scheißt einfach auf Papier. Was ist jetzt denn? Ja.
Geil, ne?
Hier wirklich.
Fahrt immer so schnell, deshalb fahr ich jetzt vor.
Ja, das ist echt so. Kai hat als letztes zu mir gesagt, fahr los, wir holen dich gleich.
Ja, weil du gesagt hast, wir fahren jetzt zu schnell, dann fährst du nur.
Ja, ich war ja auch nicht so schnell jetzt.
Nein, du bist genauso schnell von mir, Mann.
Du bist einfach weggefahren.
Du bist weggefahren.
Ich bin Schuss gefahren, bis ich dran war, aber Fabi war nicht so schnell. Da bin ich schnell. Hätte ich doch noch gesehen. Du hast am Anfang so Gas gegeben.
Ja.
Ich habe ein paar Meter laufen lassen, weil Lisa gesagt hat, kau den Berg, der wird schon richten. Gibt es hier irgendeinen Rechtfertigungsgrund? Ja? Nee, ne? Okay. Okay.
Die Tasse Kaffee und auch das Glas Wein.
Juri, Tank auf Ebbe?
Nein.
Okay.
Saarköpfen. Winken, das Schiebedach zumachen. Schiebedach.
Ja.
Damit das auch stilecht ist.
Ja, zieh dich mal richtig an, damit das stilecht ist.
Voll.
Ist auf jeden Fall ein Vibe.
Von der Musik drin.
Jetzt.
A few moments later.
Na Lisa, wie spät ist es eigentlich? 18 Uhr. Geil, ne? Aber eigentlich da müsste es drauf sein, oder?
Nur das Dunkel, ja.
Kill her vibe. She's in it for the rock and roll. She does
are made